kids, it's Miss Cosio again with another ukulele tutorial with the Melody Room. I'm going to show you today about our strumming patterns. Some of you find strumming quite hard. So, let's not worry about the chords up here. We're just going to make an L with our fingers and just rest the neck and the head of the ukulele in there. And we're not going to touch any strings, so we're just going to kind of have our fingers open like a flower. And as we strum, we're going to make sure that our hand is very relaxed. So imagine that you're doing a Hawaiian dance and your wrist is very loose. So can you practice that now? That's it. Good. Okay. So for now, we can just use one finger to strum and see how you go. So I'm going to use my Peter pointer finger and I'm going to use the very back of my fingernail. Okay? I don't have long fingernails, I'm just going to use the back. So I'm going to go down, 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 down. And my finger is kind of curled underneath. Good job. How's it sounding? Is your wrist relaxed? Or are you pushing in too tight and you're getting this kind of a sound? If you are, pull your hand a bit further away from the strings and just be more gentle. In fact, you can just practice with your wrist out here. So that's called our down strum.